Okay, students, in the last class I have given you a brief introduction on lines and angles, and also in the last class I have already discussed about vertically opposite angles and linear pair, right? So today I'll be solving the exercise, that is exercise 6.1. Alright, so let's take a look at question number 1. Question number 1, if you are following an NBSE textbook, or okay, all the recordings that I'm going to do will be purely based on NBSE syllabus. Alright, so question number 1 says, in figure 6.15, lines AB and lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equals 70 degree and angle BOD equals 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So now, let's try to understand the question. In the question has clearly states that the line AB and the line CD, the line AB and the line CD, they intersect each other at point O. Alright, and it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE combined together, the sum of these two angles gives us 70 degree. Is it okay? That is this angle and this angle, the sum gives us 70 degree. Is it okay? And then again we are given that angle BOD is 40 degree. Now the question is asking us to find angle BOE. Okay, that is this angle, I'm putting an asterisk mark in the figure, and reflex angle COE, that is this angle. So talking about reflex angle, that also I've discussed in the last class. Reflex angle are those angles that measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. That means the answer should be between 181 to 359. Is it okay? Yeah. So now let's get into the detail. So let's write down what is given in the question first. Alright, that is lines AB and CD intersect at O. This is given, and then your angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. This is also given. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. This is also given. So what do we need to find? Let's write down. To find is that we need to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. That is question mark. Is it okay? So a very important reminder to you. Alright, a figure may be given in the question, but when you write down the answer, when you solve the sum, alright, when you prove it or when you solve the sum, alright, for geometry, it is mandatory for you to write the it is mandatory for you to draw the figure. Alright, without drawing the figure, the teacher reserves every right to deduct your marks. Is it okay? So for geometry, figure is very important. So kindly make sure that even in the exam, alright, for any geometrical question, draw the figure. Alright, make sure that your figure accompanies your answer. Alright, so now coming back to our topics, what do you see here? Now let me draw a mini figure, alright, on the side. That is the line AB, correct, and the line CD, they intersect at O, correct. So what do we see here? We see that angle AOC and angle BOD, these two angles form a vertically opposite angles, right? So you write down here, your angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, correct. Reason is they form a vertically opposite angle, that is we write VOA short form. Alright, so now this will gives us angle AOC equal to angle BOD is how much? 40 degrees. So even your angle AOC is going to be 40 degree. Is it okay? Also, we are given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, correct? This is given in the question, right? So since we already got the angle value of angle AOC, can we calculate angle BOE? Yes, that is angle AOC is 40 degree plus angle BOE equals 70 degree. This gives us angle BOE is equal to 70 degree plus 40 on transferring becomes minus 40 degree. That gives us angle BOE equal to how much? 30 degree. So now we got this angle as 30 degree. That means we already found one, right? Yes, we already found one answer. Alright, so now let's take a look at the final thing that we need to find, that is reflex angle COE. Alright, so we got all the values. But AOD is still missing. To get a reflex angle, we still need angle AOD, correct? So let's try to find out angle AOD. So you write down again. Now angle AOC and angle AOD, this angle and this angle, these two angles, they will form a linear pair, right? So your angle AOC plus your angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. That is, reason is they form a linear pair. Is it okay? So angle AOC, we already calculated it as 40 degree plus angle AOD equals 180 degree. That gives us angle AOD equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. That gives us angle AOD will be equal to 140 degree. So now we know this angle as 140 degree also, correct? So we can easily calculate the reflex angle, is it okay, COE. So let's write down now our reflex angle COE will be, our reflex angle, this angle will be the sum of all the other angle, that is angle AOC plus angle AOD plus angle BOD plus angle BOE. Is it okay? So this gives us AOC is 40 degree, correct, plus AOD is 140 degree plus angle BOD. BOD is again 40 degree plus angle BOE is 30 degree, right? So this will gives us 140 degree. Okay, let's take the biggest number out. 40 degree plus 40 degree is 80 degree. 80 degree plus 30 degree is 110 degree. So let's add up 140 and 110. That is 0. 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 1 2. That is 250. That gives our reflex angle as 250 degree, correct? This is our answer. So every question in mathematics should have a conclusion. So let's write down our conclusion as, therefore your angle BOE is equal to how much? 30 degree, and our reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree. This is our final answer. Is it okay? Yes. In maths, always remember you should write your conclusion. Whatever be the questions, alright, whatever types of problem you solve, always ensure that you write the conclusion. Is that clear? Okay, so now let's go to question number 2. In question number 2, the question says, in figure 6.16, the lines X, Y and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is 90 degree and A is to B is 2 is to 3, find C. Correct? So What is given in the question is that the question is saying that the line X, Y and MN, they intersect each other at O, and angle POY is given to be 90 degree. The ratio of A is to B is given, the ratio of A and B is given as 2:3. So we need to find the value of C. Is it okay? So first, as usual, let's write down what is given in the question. So in the question it is given that lines X, Y and MN intersect at O. Is it okay? And angle POY is equal to 90 degree. Now, the ratio of A and B is given. So whenever a ratio is given, I am going to convert the ratio in terms of X. Is it okay? You can convert it in terms of any other alphabetical letter, but since I'm comfortable with X, I'm going to convert them into X. Alright? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write, let the ratio of A and B be 2x and 3x. Is it okay? That literally means your A will be 2x and B will be 3x. Is it okay? Keep this in mind. Alright? A is first, so A will be 2x. B is second, that is 3x. Any doubt? So what do we need to find? Let's write down. To find is that we need to find C, the value of C. Is it okay? Yes? Always try to write what is given in the question and what you need to find. Now with this, it helps you to understand the question better. At the same time, it helps you to read the question better. Is it okay? So now, I am going to break this figure up. Is it okay? That is, I'm going to break up the figure like this. That is X, Y and then O, P. Is it okay? Angle POY is 90 degree. This is clearly given, right? But angle POX and POY, these two angles will be equal to 90 degree. Why? Because these two angles, they form a linear pair, right? So let's begin our answer by writing here your angle POX plus your angle POY is equal to 180 degree. That is, reason is linear pair. Now angle POX plus POY is already given as 90 degree equal to 180. That gives you angle POX equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 90 on transferring. Is it okay? Now let's take a look at the question. The question says that angle POX is divided into A and B, right? So this will gives us A plus B is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90. Okay, angle POX consists of A and B, so it will be the sum of A and B. That will make up angle POX. Is it okay? So A, as usual, the value of A is 2x plus the value of B is 3x equals 90 degree. 3x plus 2x is 5x, which is equal to 90 degree. 5 and 90 can you cancel out? Yes. So 5 1 is 5. How many in hand? 4. So 5 how much is 40? 5 8 is 40. So this gives us x equal to 18 degree. Is it okay? Yeah. So we got the value of x. So now can we calculate the value of A and B? Yes. So write down, but the value of A is equal to 2x, that is 2 into x is how much? 18 degree. So 2 8 is 16. How many in hand? 1. 2 1 2 plus 1 3. So A is 36 degree and B is equal to 3x, that is 3 into 18 degree, that is 3 8 24. 2 in hand, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, that is 54 degree. Is it okay? So we got a value of A and B. We know the angle for A and B now, right? So you write down now. Correct? Now let's take a look at the question figure again. Now if we take a look at the line M and N, OX, the ray OX will divide M and N into two parts, right, making them a linear pair of angle, right? So this will be B and this is C, right, as mentioned in the question, right? So B and C, these two angles will form a linear pair, right? So let's write down now. Your B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Reason is they form a linear pair. Is it okay? Yes. So angle B is how much? 154 degree plus C equal to 180 degree. So let's calculate the value of C by transferring 54. So C 50 plus 54 on transferring becomes minus 54, correct? So this gives us C equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree gives us 10, 7, right? 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 5, 2, 1, right? So this gives us 126 degree. Is it okay? I hope all of you understood, right? So our answer is that the value of C is, or angle C is 126 degree. Is it okay? I hope all of you understood, right?